Hello, I'm back again with another video. I've done a lot this week. I don't think I'm actually going to do videos that regularly, but if you haven't seen my previous two videos of Gleeson Fournier and Matthew Myers, you can go and check them out. They should be, as I said last time, in the suggestion box here. This time I'm drawing Andrew Lord, and I am shading in his face, which is the first step that I take after drawing outlines. I probably won't do a video on drawing outlines or helmets because they take the longest. This is actually one of the longest steps that I do, but it's just short enough that my video wouldn't actually be 20 minutes long if I did it. I really like drawing Andrew Lord because his facial expressions when he's playing are just really genuine. He's just got a good face for just, just freely blending pencil and shading and building up layers of shading on his face. And a few other people, it's like, I like the extremes of drawing. Andrew Lord, you can build up loads of layers on his face with pencil, and then with someone like Chris Culligan then, because his features are quite more angular and a bit sharper, it calls for more precision. And I know I don't really talk about this much, but I wanted to just give a more sort of personal aspect to when I'm drawing. And I've just picked two extremes there, for me anyway, and I don't know, it gives a lot of variety and it just makes for something that I really, really enjoy doing. The music I've chosen to use in this video, there is one song of me singing on it because my mum suggested that I could use music with me singing in it. I'm not sure because I've never done that before, I don't know if it would fit. So if you think it works, if you think it doesn't work, then please comment or tweet me or something to let me know, because I would like to know if you want to hear some more of that. And without further ado, let's get on with it.
Mae gen i dipyn o dib ar twt o dib ar twt o dib ar twt. Mae gen i dipyn o dib ar twt a gwynt i drws bob bore. Hei dew, a gwynt i drws bob bore. Gorff dipyn o gil o drws o gil o drws o gil o drws. A gorff dipyn o gil o drws. Cael gweld mor ar tonnau. Hei dew, a gwynt i drws bob bore. Yma byddaf yn llon fy myd yn llon fy myd yn llon fy myd. Yma byddaf yn llon fy myd. bara. Hej det och hör du inte så bara.
In conclusion to this video, I'd like to thank everyone who watched it for doing so, and yes, although it does look a bit weird in its current state, it'll actually look better as I work on it a bit more. I've already started working on the jersey, and it is looking a bit more normal already. All the pictures look weird when only the face has been drawn, so all you have to do is check my Twitter and Instagram in a couple of days to see the picture when it's up and done, and I will see you next time I make a video. And I actually learned how to use a microphone with the computer now so that I can do voiceovers that sound a bit better.